Alright, in order to measure resistance, I'm going to turn the multimeter to this setting, which has the upside down horseshoe or the ohm symbol. When I do that, the multimeter's screaming at me. The common never moves, so I'm going to move one of my leads and put it in the port that the multimeter instructs me to. Now, currently, it says O.L, which stands for overload. And basically that means that the resistance between these two leads is so high it cannot measure it. And there are lots of things that will supply overload, like my table and probably paper. But this is actually a resistor, and I can measure its resistance by touching the metal part here and the metal part here. And when I do that, it begins to measure the resistance, and I see that this red thing has a resistance of 20.4 ohms. Once again, the units are incredibly important. Now that's how you measure resistance of a piece that's just sitting on the table. But if you put it in the on the circuit board, it makes it easier. Now you'll notice that there are no electrons running through these components, and that's actually very important to measure the resistance. If you attempt to measure resistance while there's electrons flowing, it goofs up your measurement. But now all I have to do is touch these posts, and I can get a reading of the resistance of this light bulb to be 6.8 ohms, or this green thing to be 5.3 ohms.